Jesus, what a morning. Are you kidding me? Someone replaced my toothbrush. I know. Let's start the day right with a nice cup of tea. This is more like it. I feel like someone's trying to tell me something. But what is it? Aha! The game with the sticks. Okay, let's try and remember how this works. What am I? Michael Jackson or something? I'm pretty sure the ball's gonna go further than that. Is this thing tuned in okay? Okay, Tiger. Go get him this time. Oh crap, that woman hit my ball. And she stepped on a cow. Okay, champ. This time.
You little...
It was already broken when I got here.
So sorry you had to sit through that terrible skit. In my head, I thought it was funny. I don't think it turned out very well. But this skit brings me to the topic of the new series that I want to start on this channel. And it's going to be me preparing for a competition in summer next year. Now, I haven't found a competition to enter just yet, but I want it to be a big amateur competition, either me playing by myself or in a pro-am with my brother-in-law Birdie. So yeah, I haven't got a date or anything. All I know is I want it to be in summer, and I've got a long time to prepare for it. I want to document every single part of my journey. Along the way, I'm going to be buying new clubs, going to lessons, getting professional lessons, how I'm going to prepare for this. I want to get my handicap really down. I haven't actually been able to concentrate on just solely golf in the past because obviously the traveling, I've had other goals in life like ostrich golf, but now all I want to focus on is YouTube, getting better at golf to make videos and to get better at golf as well. So I did end up going to the golf course. I thought I'd start off like seeing where I am at the minute, how I'm shooting, what score I could put out. So I went to the golf course, and let's just say it probably was the worst I've ever played golf since being about 12 years old. I went with the intent of basically doing 18 holes, scoring properly, playing by the rules, 3 off the tee, everything like that, and putting in a score and have something to work off. Now, bear in mind, I haven't been playing golf for about 8 months, haven't played 18 holes in about a year, and had recently only been to the range the day before. So off I trot to the golf course, started off really well, parred the first, thought, wow, this is easy this, I'll be fine, I'll be absolutely amazing, and then that's where it stopped. Because after that I ended up shooting 17 over in 8 holes and had to leave the 9th hole because I'd run out of balls. So yeah, I've got a lot of work to do, but I'm excited. It's going to be an amazing series. Not sure what the series is going to be called yet, but be on the lookout for a cheesy, probably terrible name for a series, and then just episode 1 after it. This week is going to be quite hard to actually even start because England has now shown its true colours and it is raining all week and next week. So I've timed this absolutely perfect. I don't know how many episodes of this I'm going to do a week. I think I might start with just 1 while the weather's really bad, and then obviously try to fit in a video with Boo, and I'm going to be doing other sort of golf videos as well. So keep a lookout for this new series. I can't wait. If I'm ever going to make it as a YouTuber and something to do with the golf industry, then this is my final shot, I believe. Now, to bring some bad news to this good situation, my Facebook got hacked, and basically I run ads for Ostrich Golf, my golf company, and they hacked into my golf account, into my ad account, and basically ran their own ads and ran up a bill of £800, £400 getting taken out my bank account, and they run up another £400 on Facebook. Now thankfully I've got the £400 back from PayPal. All I'm waiting for now is to get through to Facebook and get them to cancel the other £400, which they are saying that I owe them. So hopefully I win that, and hopefully Ostrich Golf can start advertising again on Facebook. Help me out, share, or go like the Ostrich Golf Facebook page. Give me some free advertisements, because at the minute I can't pay for any. So that is all I've got for today. That is it. Keep a lookout for the new series. Keep a lookout for videos. I'm pretty sure if I've got any chance of making it in golf or YouTube, this is my last shot. And I want to give it everything. I want to get 3 videos out a week minimum and try and make something of myself. So, thank you for watching, viewing, subscribe if you're new here. And let's try and make this year the year. If not this year, maybe I've only got 3 months left of this year. So maybe next year, but you know what I mean. Thank you for watching. Peace. So the worst thing possible and the most embarrassing thing ever happened. I ran out of balls.
I can't take another